If 2025 was an average year for you and this year you want to balance every part of your life, money, mind, job, relationship and growth, then this video is for you. अगर आपने इस साल बस ये 6 बुक पढ़ ली तो आई गारंटी कि आपको कोई और बुक पढ़ने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. दे आर वेरी इजी टू रीड एंड engaging. And in case आप regularly read नहीं करते हो, you still enjoy this book. And stay till the end because my last book recommendation is completely different. And honestly, I don't think many people are talking about it. My first book recommendation is Psychology of Money. ये बहुत पॉपुलर बुक है. इन केस ये आपने सुनी है और रीड भी करी है तो आपको ये ईयर फिर से रीड करनी है. ये बुक मैं एवरी ईयर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द ईयर में पढ़ती हूँ एंड आई गेट डिफरेंट टेक अवे एवरी टाइम आई रीड दिस बुक. This book doesn't teach you how to make more money. It teaches you how to think about money. This book helps you to understand why two people earning the same amount can live completely different financial lives. One very important idea from this book is wealth is not what you see. जो चीज़ हम देखते हैं, expensive lifestyle, big cars, branded things, that's not wealth. That's spending. Real wealth is having options. The option to say no. The option to choose peace over pressure. The option to not panic during tough times. That is wealth. This book changed how I look at the saving, investing, and even spending. It made me realize that doing reasonable things consistently is far more powerful than doing smart things once. If you want peace around the money in 2026, this book is non-negotiable. And once your relationship with money becomes better, the next book helps you to reduce stress in every other aspect of life. My second book recommendation is Don't Sweat the Small Stuff. And this book is like a gentle reminder to slow down, to breathe. हम every single day जो stress लेते रहते हैं वो बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ों की वजह से लेते हैं rather than the big problem. ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक हो गया, किसी ने डिले रिप्लाई किया या someone's tone और unfinished to-do list. हम इन छोटी छोटी बातों को इतना बड़ा बना देते हैं कि they start controlling our mood, peace and our day too. And फिर हमारा full day खराब जाता है. This book teaches you one simple but powerful idea. Not everything deserves your energy. You don't have to win every argument. You don't have to react to everything. And you definitely don't have to take everything personally. One thing that really stayed with me is how this book talks about choosing peace over being right and to slow down and start enjoying the present moment. If you are entering 2026 feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or constantly mentally tired, this book reminds that the peace is a choice and it starts with the small things. After reading Don't Sweat the Small Stuff, you learn to protect your peace. But peace breaks fastest at work, right? And that's exactly why I'm recommending Rework next. So, चाहे आप business start करना चाहते हो या already job करते हो, this book questions everything we have been taught about work. मैंने ये book December month में finish करी last year and even with my 13 years of experience, इसने मेरे काफ़ी beliefs को break कर दिया है. If you want to start business और कुछ भी अपना खुद का कुछ करना चाहते हो, तो the first thing this book does is to pushes you to start now, even when nothing feels perfect. Around us there are so many voices. क्या होगा? What if we fail? सच बोलूं, fail होने का डर normal है. But even if you fail, you will gain something out of it. Experience, clarity and confidence. जो next time start करते वक्त हमें immensely help करेगा. आपने सुना तो होगा कि the first step is always the hardest. हम अक्सर काम स्टार्ट ही इस माइंडसेट से करते हैं कि अरे हम फेल हो गए तो क्या होगा. रीवर्क यहीं पे माइंडसेट शिफ्ट करवाती है फ्रॉम एग्जिस्ट और फेल स्ट्रैटेजी टू कमिटमेंट स्ट्रैटेजी. एक लाइन जो मुझे पर्सनली हिट हुई इस बुक में, गुड इनफ इज फाइन, परफेक्शन ओनली डिलेज योर वर्क. Once you start thinking in a growth direction, your next book helps you to rethink, be ambitious and confident, especially as a woman. Stay till the end as my last book is the best book you will ever read in your life. My fourth book recommendation is Lean In, and honestly, this book changed my entire perspective. The author strongly talks about why women hesitate in asking for promotion or raises or even better opportunity. And more importantly, how to navigate through this, how to work through that hesitation, taking risks, choosing growth, challenging ourselves, and asking for what we deserve. These are not optional, they are important elements of our career. One last thing from this book is that is extremely important for every working woman. Make your partner a real partner. जब तक आप अपने आप को इक्वल नहीं कंसिडर करोगे, no one else will. Take help from your partner, your in-laws and your parents. Don't hesitate there. Now coming to my fourth book recommendation is to manifest and 7 steps to living your best life. This book shows you one clear path and guides you step by step on how to actually manifest what you want in your life. The biggest reason why most of us hesitate is fear and self-doubt. इस बुक में आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइडेंस मिलती है on how to remove that fear, how to stop feeling left out, inferior or weak, and slowly become the best version of yourself. One very important thing this book keeps repeating is you need to be very clear about your vision and then align your behavior with your goals. For example, अगर आपको high paying salary चाहिए, तो सिर्फ manifest करना enough नहीं है. You need to start investing time in learning new skills. One line from this book that really stayed with me is your hard work is never going to waste. The universe is ready with open arms to give you in abundance when your intentions and actions are aligned. If you want to go deeper, I have done a detailed review of this book. I will link it or add it in the description box. And now my last and most special recommendation is Bhagavad Gita by Rancho Prime. I have honestly tried reading so many versions of Gita बिफोर, बट सच बताऊं ये तो या तो लैंग्वेज बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगती थी या पूरा पूरा पढ़ने के बाद भी समझ नहीं आता था. इट ऑलवेज फेल्ट हैवी, जैसे गीता समझने के लिए पहले से ही बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज चाहिए. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट इफ यू कैन रिलेट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. बट देन आई फाउंड दिस बुक, Bhagavad Gita, talks between the soul, and for the first time Gita made sense. This book is written in such a simple language, no heavy philosophy, no complicated explanation. Even an 8-year can read this. हर श्लोक का मीनिंग इतने क्लैरिटी के साथ एक्सप्लेन किया गया है कि हम रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन से रिलेट कर पाते हैं. फियर, कंफ्यूजन, सेल्फ डाउट, ड्यूटी, अटैचमेंट जो हम डेली लाइफ में फील करते हैं, गीता आपको जेंटली गाइड करती है इन सब फेजेस में. ये बुक आपको ये नहीं कहती कि लाइफ परफेक्ट हो जाएगी, बट ये ज़रूर सिखाती है कि इम्परफेक्ट लाइफ होने के बावजूद हम कैसे खुश रह सकते हैं. इफ़ यू आर समवन हु ओवरथिंक्स अ लॉट, फील स्टक और कंफ्यूज्ड इन लाइफ, या फिर स्पिरिचुअलिटी से कनेक्ट करना चाहते हो बट इजी वे में, दिस बुक इज द बेस्ट गीता टू स्टार्ट विद. यू डोंट रियली नीड टू स्टार्ट ऑल एट वन. बस एक बुक चूज करो एंड स्टार्ट स्मॉल. कमेंट बिलो विच बुक आर यू पिकिंग फर्स्ट. आई हैव एडेड ऑल द बुक्स लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. एंड इफ यू वांट मोर बुक ब्रेकडाउन, simple productivity, life growth content, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.